the old axiom that people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care is certainly very applicable in building trust with clinical and operational leaders. I feel like our leaders need to hear me verbalize first alignment with the core mission.
Mm,
And the core mission, in my mind, is quality, robust healthcare in our community and remaining an ongoing business concern. I mean, both of those things are essential to, or are the mission, in my opinion. And sometimes when I've seen a little bit of disparity in terms of the direction that our team is going, I find it helpful to recenter on what's our core focus here. It's got to be around patient care, right? And when our leaders see the CFO aligned with that patient care agenda, it's a different reaction. It's a, wow, she's a member of our team. She's not driving her own agenda. And we can work from a central point, right? And that is absolutely critical. Um, you know, I think it's important to communicate with tact and diplomacy. You can't just rely on your title to get you through. You have to earn that trust and collaboration. And that entails listening to other people, even if you have an opinion. And as long as you don't care who gets the credit, as long as you're seen as a collaborative resource who's going to help get things done, and not necessarily that you're trying to, get the credit for it, that goes a long, long way, in my opinion, with our leaders. And then secondly, the thing that I think is really critical is offering to help, right? A lot of folks are sometimes reticent to approach the CFO, and the CFO needs to be valued as a resource to leadership, right? Not just as a big stick, unless that's the particular resource you need at the time, because we can do that part too, if we have to. But it's not about trying to compete for turf. It's about how do we move our organization forward together. And as long as people know you're absolutely firm about your alignment there, that I have found that is probably the single biggest thing to building trust and collaboration.